Hey there, it's Jason here from 4XPipSnager, and today is June the 27th, 2012. Okay, so we're going to take a quick look at the setups here. Basically, we had our opening candle right here, 10 o'clock GMT, which is 3 a.m. in the morning. There was no buying, there was no selling because the filter did not agree, and the support was in the way right here, okay? We had support in the way, no trade here, even though the filter was red briefly for about 20 minutes. Then it went up and they sold off of this 25 level here, came down. Now, once we broke through support, okay, this was our definite two candles that proved it to us that, hello, we're going to go down. And sure enough, it was right. It always is most of the time. But then it retraced back up, and this is right here at 1530 is when you would have got short this market, okay? So you would have got short right there. Your stop would have been about 20 pips. To the bottom, it was 35 pips. You got a 1-to-1 win-loss ratio on that trade. It just would have took quite a lot of time to finally get there. Okay. Let's now take a look at the 1-minute scalper and see if we got any setups. Okay, so right here, basically it came down. This was our entry right here. The filter was black. The filter was not a go at that time. It was the next bar that it was a go. There was no trade there. 10:03 came down rather quickly and back up. I wouldn't call that a trade either because it ran down. Well, it only ran down 13 pips. Yeah, I guess that was a trade right there. I thought it was like 30 pips, but it wasn't. You got to measure that. If it's too much, too far, too fast, you don't want to do the trade. But it was only 12 pips, so but 12 pips today because the market is moving so slowly. It's like 20 or 30 pips in more volatile markets. Okay, so anyway, you would have got short right there. It only gave you like 2 pips. You're lucky if you got out and break even and it shot up. And then this trade here didn't turn blue till way up here. There was no trade here. Okay, and that was the end of the opportunity. So there was only that one trade, and it sucked. It sucked. It sucked. Let's go on to the pound now. The pound gave us the first sell. It was right there. Okay. I don't know why that popped up. Anyway, it was right there, your sell after we broke through the support here. Came down, sell right there. Your stop would have been right up there, 15 pips. It only went down about 14 pips. Came back up, then came down. So it's 77 pips. Then it gave another trade right here, okay? But it did not go through this support right here. See this support? That's why you need to put lines in your chart, ladies and gentlemen, so that you know where the support is, you know where the resistance is, and when it breaks through it, like right here, this was the bar that said, hello, snagers! Get ready to sell! But anyway, I just wanted to make that very, very abrupt out at you so you know what I'm saying. Right here was the opportunity to sell, okay? Right there, ladies and gentlemen. You would have sold it right there with great success, okay? It went down about 50 pips from there. The second opportunity to sell would have been somewhere right in here. It doesn't always have to come and touch the trigger line. Right here was your third place to sell. And another place to sell here and another place. But as you can see, it got ugly in the U.S. session, okay? But anyway, there was winning trades on here, which is really good. Now let's look at the Swiss, okay? So on the Swiss, it's the exact same opposite as the Euro, okay? There was no buying here because resistance was right there. Then it came down, then they bought off support, came up, sold off resistance again, then finally, this was the bar right here. It said, hello, snagers! Get ready to buy! So anyway, once it pulled back into the trigger line, which was right there, okay, at 15:35 time, okay, your stop would have been there, 14 pips. You got 27 pips to the top. You almost got 2-to-1 win-loss ratio. Okay, so anyway, thanks again for listening here today. You guys have a great day. We'll see you tomorrow on Thursday.